Today, I bring your way a live streaming app where you can perform simple tasks and earn money and withdraw it into your bank account. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vera King. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, you're coming across me for the very first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I talk about how to make money on the internet. I talk about live streaming app that pays. So I take my time to sort those live streaming apps that are paying. And today I bring your way a new live streaming app that is paying. The name of the app is called Hala app. Hala app is an audio app where you perform tasks on the audio. It's not a video app where you have to open your face on the camera to perform tasks. No, on this app, it's just like Bolo Up. It's very similar to Bolo Up. Everything about the app is like Bolo Up, from their tasks, their interface, their earning reward, and everything, their games and their gambling is similar to Bolo Up. So if you understand Bolo Up, if you understand the system of Bolo Up, then you shouldn't have any issue live streaming on this app, because everything about the app is just like Bolo Up. Now, another good thing that I like about this app is that you can withdraw your money into your local bank account, unlike other live streaming app where you can only withdraw through ePay or USDT. On this particular Hala app, you can withdraw through your local bank account. For instance, if you're in Nigeria, you can withdraw through your OPay, through your PalmPay, or through any other local bank account that you are using. Likewise, other countries, you can go through the app and check if your country currency is there, then you can withdraw through your local bank account. Then there are other options of withdrawing through ePay, through USDT, and through Binance. So either one that you feel is convenient for you to use as withdrawal method, you can go ahead and use it. Then the threshold of withdrawal is just like every other live streaming app, which is 100,000 points or diamond. On this app, they use points. So when you get to 100,000, you can withdraw it, which is equivalent to $10. Now, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll explain more details in the practical aspect of the video. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the practical aspect of the video. I will leave the link in the description of this video and in the comment section of this video. Just go ahead and click on it, and it will take you to Play Store where you can download the app. When you click on the link in the description of the video, it will bring you to your Google Play Store where you can download the app. Here is what the app look like: Hala Voice Chat Community. That's the name of the app. Then you go ahead and install it. In your own case, it will say install. Mine is saying open because I've already installed it. So in your case, it will say install. When you install it, then you go ahead and click on the open. Then it will bring you to this interface where you can sign in either with your Google or with your mail, or sign in with a fresh account. Create an account. So go ahead and pick the one that suits you. Then after that, you come to this interface where it will give you 1,000 of this. You can either use it to send gifts or to gamble. The gift is only gambling or playing game. That's what you can use this 1,000 to do. So after you must have done receive that, just go ahead and click on this me icon here on the bottom part of your phone, of your screen. Go ahead and click on it, and it will open up, and here you can edit your profile. Go ahead and click where your name is. There's an arrow. Click on this arrow and it will open up. When it open up, go ahead and input a profile picture. Put in a profile picture, a very good, attractive profile picture. Once you are done with that, go ahead and click on this pencil icon and then edit your name. If you don't want the name that the system, your Google gave to you, or you create a name, then you can change your gender. If it's not giving you the right gender, you can go ahead and input your date of birth. It will automatically pick your country. Like me, it picked Nigeria for me. Then you go ahead and also add pictures. There are picture album here where you can add about 4 pictures. Go ahead and do that, and then save. Once you are done with that, come back to the interface of your profile, and the next thing for you to do is to join agency. Where you see agency, click on it. When you click on the agency, it will open up and you pick I'm a host, join agency. Go ahead and click on that and then input my agency number, which is displaying on the screen. My agency number is 1082205. Input that and then submit. The next thing for you to do is to come to this place that say host center. Here is where you can become a host. You need to set up your room to become a host. So click on it and it will open up. When it open up now, you see these are the benefits you're supposed to enjoy as a host. Your first 1 week, you are not on target, and after 1 week, you'll be earning about $3.5. Then on a daily basis, you can get up to $36 bonus. So these are the benefits. Just go ahead and join and start earning. Click on join and start earning. Then here you will now create your room. Go ahead and input another profile picture. This one is your room profile picture this time around. So add a profile picture to your room. Then go ahead and add a room title. You can say whatever you like on the room title. Just go ahead and type something on the room title. So after that, you can go ahead and pick the tag you want in your room, either emotion, chat, music, friends, fitness, lifestyle, fashion, whatever you want to discuss in your room, just you want to be doing in your room, just go ahead and pick. Then the next thing is you have to input announcement for your room. You can either go for free mic or apply for mic, either one. Just pick anyone that suits you. Then it will open up this way. After you have go ahead to click on go, then this is what your room would look like. In this your room now, you go ahead and click on that first seat and sit down. Then your tax will begin to count. Then there's a circle on your right hand side. Click on it and it will bring you here. That green circle will bring you here. These are your tax. These are what you are supposed to be doing. As a newbie, you have 3 hours of tax for the next 7 days. The first 1 hour is you earn 2,000. The second 1 hour you earn 2,000. The third 1 hour you earn 1,000. Then another thing again is you can also play game on the app. You click on the game icon, you see the various type of games you can play on the app. Royal Battle, Fruit, Dragon Ball, Miner Fortune, Crash, Fishing. Just go ahead and check through the games that you have here and play anyone. But before you can play game, know that you need to buy coin. You need to recharge coin to be able to play game. So just go ahead and go through the game. Then the next thing is how to gift or to do exchange. You can also do exchange here. You can also gamble here. You click on the gift icon. When it open up, you see the hot. Hot is for exchange. You use it to exchange with anybody. Then the lucky, the middle one, which is lucky, is for gambling. Whatever you throw here, system will give you return. If you are lucky, then the last one is luxury, is for exchanging gift of millions of coin. Millions of coin. Yeah, that's when you use luxury for exchange. So luxury true is for exchange. So that is that about how to earn on the app. You can earn either doing your tax, playing game, or gambling. Those are ways to earn on the app. Then now let me show you how to buy coin, because you need to buy coin to be able to do gaming or gambling. Now to buy coin, you click on this coin circle section, and then you come here and you see a whole lot of coin sellers. Then you come here, you see a whole lot of coin seller. If you scroll down, you see whole lot of coin seller. But if you're not in Nigeria, you can go ahead and click on the region and then pick your own country. But since I'm in Nigeria, I'll leave it in Nigeria, and I'll scroll and I'll see all the coin sellers in Nigeria as are here. This sweet girl she's my plug in one of those app, in one of the live streaming app. I bought coin from her on one of the live streaming app, and she's very prompt, and she responds well. So if you want, you can go ahead and buy from her, but if not, you can choose anybody you want to buy from and go ahead and buy, or you can buy from your bank. You can see you can recharge through your bank. So either way, there are various ways of buying coin. Now let me teach you how to withdraw. How to withdraw: you come to your wallet host center, then come to your wallet. There are different means of withdrawal. We have USDT, ePay, Binance, and you can withdraw to your local country too. Here I'm in Nigeria. I can click on Nigeria, then you see I can withdraw through Naira. Now I'll click on payment method. You see that I can withdraw through either OPay, through any of the Nigerian local bank, or through PalmPay. So there are different ways of withdrawing on the app. That is one thing I love about this app. There are different options of withdrawal. You can also exchange your coin. When you click on this exchange, you can exchange your points to coin. In case you want to gamble or game and you don't have money to buy, you can exchange what you've earned to either game or gamble. You can see that if you exchange 10,000, you get 9,000 coin. Then you can also transfer your coin to either a coin seller or to your agency. If a coin seller is willing to buy from you, you can exchange to the person, and the person will give you money. And your agency too, you can do that through your agency if your agency is willing to buy. So that's practically all about the app. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that anytime I post a video, you will not miss out. You'll be the first to be notified. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.